Hi everyone, Tasha here for Paper Sweeties, and today we're going to create a 4th of July themed card using items from the July release and the Q3 Sweet Kit. I'll be using the Odds and Ends Land That I Love. I'm using 3 of these firework cutouts and then the fun hot air balloon. And look how cute this is with the little face. I'll also be using the new Summer Vibes Sentiment Stamp Set, a piece of this pretty polka dot pattern paper included in the kit, and the color I'm using is the deep red with the white, and these papers are double-sided. I'll also be using white and red cardstock along with a piece of blue cardstock at the end, and I'll be using a cloud stencil. I'm going to start my project by stenciling the background. I'm using a shade of purple and deep blue ink, and this way it just gives some color to that white paper. This card is a mini slimline and the paper pieces are quite large, so they do cover up most of the card, but these colors will show through. So I'm going on the top with the deep blue, and then I blended in some of the purple in the middle towards the end. Once I was done adding all of my fluffy clouds, I used the leftover ink on the brush and went around the edges and over all the color so that the blue and the purple blended together. I just love these two colors together. It gives a really pretty sky color. This is also great for fall or Halloween cards. Next, I'm going to attach the fluffy clouds to a red cardstock, and this will give a nice frame or border. And again, we're bringing in these red, white, and blue colors. So I'm going to then attach this card to the polka dot pattern paper. I'm just using glue runner for this project. You could also use liquid adhesive or score tape. I love mini slimline cards. I think they're the perfect size, and they add so much detail when you're having these big paper pieces. So next I'm going to attach the fireworks, and I'm just using that same glue runner again, just making sure I position it in a way that it kind of fills up that whole background. So I put one slightly on the top corner, and then I just kind of worked my way down. I just wanted the fireworks to look like they're randomly in the sky and in the background of this little hot air balloon. To make the little hot air balloon raised up a little bit, I'm using these mini square foam adhesive pieces. You could use regular foam tape or cardstock to get the same look. And look how cute he looks on top of those fireworks. He's just like flying by. I just love these little pieces that are included in the kit. Lastly, I'm going over to my stamping tool, and I'm going to stamp the greeting. I'm using the new July release, the Summer Vibe Sentiment Stamp Set from Paper Sweeties, and I'm stamping Happy Independence Day with a black ink. To cut it down to size, I'm just going over to my paper trimmer and just trimming it down to a size that I think will fit on my card. There's no exact measurements. I'm just kind of going around so that I get it small enough that it has a little bit of a frame or a border, but I don't cut off any of the letters. To add a little more color and to mat the sentiment, I'm using the leftover piece of pattern paper in that same polka dot color, and I'm just going to add the frame that it coordinates with the deep red I used in the background. And again, I did the same thing. I just glued it right onto the paper, took it to my trimmer, and then trimmed it down to size. And this has a perfect size and border to go with this card. I wanted to raise the greeting up again, so I used the same foam squares I used on the hot air balloon. And I'm going to just position it right along the bottom on top of the cloud background and the fireworks. Do you see how easy that is? And there's just so much going on in this card. It's so festive and perfect for summer. For my card base, I just cut a piece of white heavyweight cardstock, and then I'm going to attach a blue piece of cardstock on top of it. I was going to just have it white, but I wanted to add a little more of that blue color to go with the sky and the hot air balloon. Once I had that in place, all I had to do was attach my center card and it lines up perfectly. And you have that whole red, white, and blue colors that goes with that 4th of July theme. The kit did include these fun enamel hearts, and I thought they would be perfect for the center of the fireworks, and the smallest size fits perfectly in the center. So these are also included in the kit. And this is my completed card. I just love it. I think it's so fun. In addition, I did make this card as well that I didn't share yet, and I used the same items in the kit. I hope you enjoyed today's project and are having a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.